Hi, Bruno here. Welcome to Spainguru. Can US employees obtain a certificate of coverage from the US Social Security for the Spanish Digital Nomad Visa without changing their employment status? Let's see the specific question. I will be applying for the Spanish Digital Nomad Visa or DNV from US in April 2023. I have been gathering my documents, but I have only recently learned that a certificate of coverage from the Social Security Administration may be required. I see some say it's impossible for telework situations, but nothing on the SSA or IRS web pages mention that. Has any US company employee been able to get the SSA certificate of coverage? I am hoping it is possible to do so without having to change from a W-2 employee to a 1099 contractor. Now let's see Spainguru's community members' answers. First one. If you're a W-2 employee, then you will have no problem as your company does the request. And to give some context, what is a W-2 employee in the US? It's a person who gets a W-2 tax form each year to report their income and taxes withheld and is officially employed by a business or organization in the US, is known as a W-2 employee. Instead of being referred to as contractors or freelancers, W-2 employees are regarded as employees and as such are eligible to certain protections and benefits under the US law, including health insurance, paid time off, unemployment insurance, and workers' compensation insurance. Be aware that this definition only applies to American employment practices and might not be applicable to those used in other nations. Next answer. I and others have spoken to the SSA Office of Earnings and International Operations. We were told that certificates of coverage are not issued for telework. If you have any questions, you can call to this number, actually here, between those times from Monday to Friday. They will ask you to leave a message and they'll call you back in 2 to 3 business days. And also you can send them an email to here, to this address. The only viable path I can think of is to be self-employed and pay Social Security taxes in Spain. I'm trying to explore the path of the employer registering to pay Social Security in Spain, but I don't think many employers would go for that. Next answer. Our advisor suggested us becoming autonomous in Spain since we were self-employed. It's annoying because it means we're not paying into our US Social Security fund for the year or years we spend in Spain, which will affect our retirement later. Next answer. My remaining hope is that maybe just get the UGE or Unidad de Grandes Empresas, the office that takes the applications for digital nomad visas here in Spain, requires this document and not the Spanish consulate for the visa application. I've mailed the Spanish consulate to see if they have any additional information at this time, though it probably won't be until March 31st, 2023. Applications should open also on that date. Next one. The Social Security Agency will grant a certificate of coverage if you are working for a Spanish company or working for the Spanish branch or affiliate of a US company. What is needed to prove this is unknown. Some have been told a simple Spanish address will suffice. However, if you need an actual legal entity, you can establish a Spanish NIF, which is a tax ID number, which will be the easiest way to do. Law firms have been quoting 1,100 euros to do this. I have no clue how easy it is to do on your own. You can become part of our Spainguru community today by joining our Facebook groups. Our most important group is the Spain Immigration and Residency Questions group, with over 17,000 members. We also have dedicated groups for Spanish non-lucrative visas with more than 2,300 members, and for the Spanish Digital Nomad Visa with 2,000 members. And if you need expert professional advice, we've got you covered. Just head to spainguru.es and check out our top menu. You'll find immigration experts, relocation agencies, tax advisors for Spanish and US filings, sworn translators, apostille services, and health insurance providers for all types of Spanish visa applications and renewals. That includes non-lucrative visas, golden visas, student visas, and digital nomad visas, as well as medical certificates for visa applications and travel insurances. Finally, I highly recommend you join our weekly newsletter, which we send out every single Monday morning. You'll get tons of information, questions and answers, featured blog posts, and even news updates. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.